Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are sharing 5 awesome ideas to jazz up your living room entrance. Whether your space is small or roomy, these easy tips will bring style to your home. First up, make a big statement with a cool mirror or artwork. It's not only look great but also make your place seem bigger. Next, fight clutter with stylish stories like a cool console table or wall shelves. Lighting is key, so consider a pendant lights or wall scents for a cozy vibe. Mirrors are not just for checking yourself out, they add space and style. Finally, make a warm welcome with a custom doormat. Fun, right? Enjoy surprising up your space and hit subscribe for more ideas. Make a lasting first impression with grand entrance. Add a statement mirror or artwork to make your space feel bigger and give guests something amazing to look at right from the start. It is like setting the mood for your whole place. Now let's talk clutter with style. Use a chic console table or wall shelves for functional and cool storage. Keep it organized and show off your unique style at the same time. A clutter-free entrance is a happy one. Lighting is key to put up a stylish pendant light or wall sconce for a warm and inviting vibe. Don't forget about natural light. Use share curtains to let the sun shine in while keeping things private. Transform your interests with these simple ideas and make your home uniquely yours. Say goodbye to mess with a stylish storage solution. Incorporate practical options like a trendy console table with basket or modern wall mounted shelves. These not only keep your things organized but also inject a bit of your unique style into the entrance. A clutter-free entryway equal a happy entryway. Keep it chic, keep it tidy and make your space truly yours. Organizing has never looked this good. Lighting works like magic, instantly changing how a room feels. Think about adding a cool hanging lights or some classy wall lighting. This gives your space a cozy and welcoming vibe, and they don't overlook nature light. It is game changer. Use share curtains or blinds to let in the beautiful sunshine while keeping things private. It is like bringing the outdoors in minutes the noisy neighbors. So light up with style, whether it is chic pendant or a row of wall scents. Your space will thank you and you will love the warm and inviting atmosphere. Bring ideas right, let's the light in and transform your living room entrance effortlessly. Mirrors are not just for looks, they work magic in your entrance. Put a mirror in the right spot to spare lighting and make your space feel open. Here is a bonus tip: pick a frame that match your style. It is like having useful art on your wall, so when you step in you will see a brighter, more spacious entryway. And mirror is not just about checking your appearances, it is about making your whole entrance shine. Choose a mirror that not only reflect your image but also reflect your taste in design. It is an easy to add both function and beauty to your living room entrance. Transform your living room entrance with these simple ideas. Start with a grand statement or mirror or artwork to make a big impressions. Keep things organized with stylish storage solution like a cool console table or wall mounting shelves. Add a touch of magic with strategic lights Whether it is a pendant lights or wall sequences, mirror not only check your outfit but also make the space feel open and airy. Pick one with a decorative frame. Finally, make it personal with a custom welcome mat. Whether it is a cute quotes, family names, or fun design, it sets a positive vibe and keep dirty away. These budget friendly tips will make your entrance stylish and welcoming. Happy decorating. And there you have it, 5 simple stylish ideas to invent your living room entrance. Remember, design is all about expressing yourself. So have fun with it. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.